Hello viewers, welcome to RK Keynotes. In this video, I'm going to show you how to freeze rows and columns in the Excel worksheet. If you have not subscribed yet, do subscribe my channel to get more updates, and let's get into the video. This is my worksheet and I have got huge data in this. So now what I'm trying to do is I'm going to scroll down. You see that the first row got hidden and we don't know the column name of these things, right? So to fix this, click anywhere here, but it should be in the page number 1, and go to view and freeze panes, select freeze top row, and now you see that I'm gonna scroll down, the top row got freezed. Alright, to unfreeze, go to freeze panes and unfreeze panes. So how about column then? Columns. I'm gonna scroll towards right. You see that the ordered column got hidden, right? What if I want to freeze this? So click anywhere here and go to view freeze panes, select freeze first column. So scroll towards right, you see that the first column got freezed. Alright, I'm gonna unfreeze now. So what if I want to freeze the first 15 rows? So click here and go to freeze panes. It is not about row or column. And now if I scroll down, you see that the first 15 rows got freezed, and I can scroll down these things. Alright, so now you might be having a question that what if I want to freeze both row and column? Yes, click here because I want to freeze this row and column, right? And go to freeze panes and select freeze panes. And you see that I can scroll down, this is fixed, and I can scroll right, the column is also got fixed. Hope you like this video. Try this one and let me know in the comment section. Thank you.